Mystical poem of Rumi. Every day I bear a burden. I bear this calamity for a purpose. I bear the discomfort of cold and December snow in hope of spring. Before the flatter up of all those who are lean, I drag this so emaciated body. Though they expel me from 200 cities, I bear it for the sake of love of a prince. Though my shop and house be laid waste, I bear it in fidelity to a tulip bed. God's love is a very strong fortress. I carry my soul's baggage inside a fortress. I bear the arrogance of every stone-hearted stranger for the sake of a friend, of one long suffering. For the sake of his ruby, I dig out mountain and mine. For sake of that rose-laden one, I endure a thorn. For the sake of those two intoxicating eyes of his, like the intoxicated, I endure crop sickness. For the sake of a quarry not to be contained in a snare, I spread out the snare and decoy of the hunter. He said, "Will you bear this sorrow till the resurrection?" Yes, friend, I bear it. I bear it. My breast is the cave, and Shams the Brazy is the companion of the cave.